Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to back up laptop to external hard drive. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply select the start menu over here. Now here, just simply go through the settings. Now here on the settings, just simply go for update and security. And after that guys, on the left side over here, just simply go for files backup. Now, here, you should be able to see backup using file history and just simply select add a drive. And now it will search for a drive and just simply select your external hard drive. Now, as you can see, it will automatically back up my files. Now, you could just simply select more options to customize it. And after that, another tab will pop up. And now from here, guys, you just simply select backup now in order for you to start this process. And down below, we should be able to back up my files and you will have multiple options over here. So pretty much this will be depending on you, on the duration that you like. And you could just simply keep my backups to forever, 1 year, or the others. So this will be depending on you as well. And you should be able to see here the backup folders that you have. And if you want to add another folder into your backup, you could just simply select add a folder and just simply select the folder that you want to back up. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.